I'm Brenna and I'm a third-year animal science major. I lived in Cerro my first year. Let's go check it out. So here we are first at the community center. So here in the community center, you'll have a game room with TVs, pianos, pool tables, all sorts of fun stuff. And then on this side, you have study spaces, so a great place to study when you don't want to hike down to the library. On top of the great amenities we just saw, Cerro Vista residents also have access to the rec center and the pool in PCV. Laundry is still free at Cal Poly when you stay your second year. Let's go check out a Cerro Vista apartment. Thank you for coming with me. If you want more pictures and videos, go to housing.calpoly.edu. See you later.